jointly do business statistic quiz. I'll keep this link in the description so that you can also follow, and you can also practice also as well from this website. And it has a question for students as well as professional. Let's start with the first question. The regression equation should be used when there is a significant linear correlation or multi-correlation or significant quadratic correlation or simple correlation. So answer is significant linear correlation, generally speaking. So the first answer is right, and it also gives a bit of explanation why it is true. And then before I go to this one, I will keep that channel name as Abrar Knowledge. Then I will go to the next question, but it is optional, but I'm just giving it so that it can give the name also. Okay. Okay. So if the strength of the association between X and Y is very, very weak, right, that means it is zero. You remember that if it is -1 is strong correlation, negative strong correlation, +1 strong correlation, 2 cannot be possible. So it is R value, the correlation value can only be 100%. It cannot be more than 100. The variance of the data set like 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 is 0 because there is no variance, there is no standard deviation. So 0 should be the right answer. And we are moving to the fifth question. The estimated regression line is y equal to 17 plus 4x. So just understand from this equation, y equal to mx plus c. Now we are talking about intercept line, right? Now we are talking about the slope. This is slope, is the intercept line. So 17 should be the right answer. Yeah, there you go. So we have done halfway through, and let's say, so y is represent the dependent variable, x is independent variable, and all that. It's given the explanation also as well. The point where the straight line cuts x-axis is called x-intercept, right? So it is cutting that line. So, okay, then you have a next question. As a regression line equation is y is equal to ax plus b, where b is what? B is y intercept, same like x we did before, right? So in a positive skewed, if the distribution is like this, so for example, let's say you have a distribution and it is positively skewed, so that means, let's say this is your mean and this is your median, right? Example. So it is always greater than, the mean is always greater than, the mean is larger than median in that case, right? So we are going to select this. And the next question is associated to this. So what happens is that if the mean is larger than the median, we don't call it as symmetrical. Symmetrical is called left symmetrical, mean left side dominating. Okay, so let's see that the results. Oh, we got 100 out of 100, and then you can see that there is a certificate is also being generated and with the date, everything. I hope you find it useful. We are going to take a look on the other questions also as well. The other questions are